Hi there, and welcome to HotChickHowTo.
Today we're going to teach you how to do some basic yoga poses.
Namaste, bitches.
The first basic pose we're going to show you is the upward dog.
This is a great chest opener.
The next basic yoga pose we're going to show you is the downward dog. This is a common resting phase in most sequences. The warrior.
I like this one because it makes me feel like a ninja.
Lotus.
This is a common meditation pose.
The last pose we're going to show you is called corpse.
This is everyone's favorite pose.
To see more of us, subscribe to HotChickHowTo.
And let us know what video you want to see next.